Good morning, doctor, and my name is Ming. So this is our program 2C that we discussed together. So at the first, this is the data section, which include the variables that will be used later. So this is the message that will print out for the initial message that require user to make a option for the program 1 and also the program 2. And this is the trace message that will display after each the program is executed and the last message when the program is end. So this is the program 1 variables and the program 2 variables. So move to the code section. It will print out the message first, which I showed just now, and then require the user to make a choice, make an option, and then it will compare the choice with 1, and if the choice is 1, it will jump to the program 1, and if the choice is 2, it will jump to the program 2. So after each of program is done, it will jump to the continue choice. Same for program 2. So in this session, it will print out the message first, and then require the user to read to write a character or input a character, and then compare the character. If the character is not equal to y, it will jump to the exit sequence, which will end the program. And if the character is not equal to if the character is equal to the y, it will jump to the start programming and also clear the screen. So it will jump back to the initial program. So it will start up again. So next, I will pass to my group member, which is Gan Yiming.
Good morning, doctor. I'm Ganiming. So now I will present the lab code. So as we can see here, so this is our code for the program 2C. So now I will start running it. So this is our output. So now we can see welcome to simple math activities, and we can select the options. And the first one is program 1C from me to calculate the perimeter hexagon using loop and add instructions. And second option is from my teammate Wu Yaoming, which is to calculate the sum of the index, which is odd or even in an array. So now let's try to run the first option. So I press 1 and enter. So now it will start to run program 1. So now we can input the first side length of the hexagon. So example, I type 5 and another hexagon I give 9. So this is the result of the perimeter of hexagon 1 and 2 using the loop. So 30 is the loop result for the hexagon 1, which is 5 times 6, so it loops 6 times. And also same for the hexagon 2, but it loop for value 9, so the value is 54. And then this is the total perimeter for the hexagon 1 and 2, which is the sum of 30 and 54 with a result of 84. So now we can press either Y or N. So Y we can return to main menu, and N we can exit the code. So now I press Y. So it will clear the screen, and let me select the option again. So now I will choose 2. And it will enter the program 1C from my partner, which is calculate the sum of the index of odd or even. So now I want to input 6 integer input. So let's say I input 3, 6, 9, 10, 13, and 16. So now it will show the sum of the even number and the even index and odd index of the six input I given it. So 25 is the result of the sum of 3, 9, and 13. And 22 is the result of 16, 10, and 6. So this is the complete code. And now I will press N and it will exit the code and it will say thank you, bye. So that's all from us. Thank you, doctor.